Welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I want to show you how you can set up the Elementor background image scroll for your website, which is also called the parallax effect, and it's very easy to do. So for this example, I have opened up the Elementor editor for the homepage of my website, and I want to apply the scrolling effect to this section, the top one. So I select it, then I go to the style tab, and over here you can see the image that has been selected as the background image for this section. What you need to do now is you can go to the attachment options over here. You can see now it's set to default, but you need to change that to fixed. And now if you do that, you can see that if you scroll down, that the image stays in its place and the rest of the section will go to the top. So I'll duplicate it to make it a little more clear to you. So I'll drag it below this section over here. So you can see that if you scroll, the whole image becomes visible like this. So that's kind of a cool effect you can do with Elementor. So I hope it's clear what I mean. Let me tell you the steps one more time just to make sure. So you need to select the section, go to the style tab, then you have to go to the attachment options, and if you set it to fixed, then you can apply the effect that I've just shown you. But if you want to set everything back to how it was, you can just select default, and now you can see that if you scroll down, that the image in the background goes along with the rest of the page. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you found this video interesting and helpful, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel to help it grow. And if you have any suggestions for me to make videos about, please let me know in the comments. And with that being said, I hope you have a nice day and good luck with designing your websites.